Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of a Phantom Green 68 convertible Camaro. This baby's a 4-speed, it's a small block, and you're gonna love looking at this one. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We'll pop the hood, take a look at the small block. We're gonna look at that black interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro convertible investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you now. So look at the beautiful paint job and the restoration on this car. That cowl hood makes this car look so tough. And I tell you what, the body man on this car did a bang up job, man. That green paint is laid on there slick as can be. Now the metallic is nice and even. The hood's fitting nice and flush. Love the white stripe. Great looking set of wheel and tires there, man. The wheel lip moldings look good. The rocker molding looks like it's brand new. All the moldings around the windshield looks good. Now this is all stuff you need to be looking at when you're shopping for a car. Door handle looks like it's brand new. All the whiskers look like they were replaced. And look at the shine on that paint. I mean, look, it's dark green and I can see a perfect reflection of myself. As a matter of fact, it looks like I may be due for a haircut there. And looky here. That looks brand spanking new. The moldings here look like they've been replaced. The door panel itself, some beautiful shape. The armrest looks good. The handles look good. And again, my favorite place to look, door jambs. Look how nice and clean that door jamb is. Beautiful. And you can see they've got a little bit of lubricant there, so you keep everything working nice and smooth. The threshold looks good. The center console looks good. We got a Hurst shifter in there with the white cue ball Hurst 4-speed knob. The upholstery on the seats looks fantastic. Looks like there is seat belts in the rear there. You can see pictures of the top up on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now check out the gauges. See the lenses on the gauges, how nice and clear they are, and how the face of the gauges looks good. The dash itself looks like it's practically brand spanking new. It's just a beautiful car inside and out. Door shuts nice and tight. Again, body work on the car, phenomenal. Chrome on the back bumper. Now the back bumper looks like it's probably original to the car, just very, very well kept throughout the years. It shows just a tiny bit of age, but it does show a great shine. Tail panels nicely painted. The trim on the taillight bezels looks like it's brand new. And look inside that trunk, man. That must be what a 1968 brand new Camaro looked like off the factory floor. All the paintwork here around the gutter area looks good. The rubber was replaced. Paint on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. The lips on the edge of the deck lid look great. And look down the side of this dude. She's straight as can be. Take a look at the fit on the door. That door is nearly perfect. All the lines line up. And again, the whiskers have been replaced. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Camaro. So we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When it got here to our shop, we inspect it so we can answer any question you have about the car. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now we're not consignment dealers, we own all of our inventory here, and we're buying about 40 new cars every month. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in the Camaro Convertible. I'll tell you what a sweet ride we got here too. Top goes down, Awesome sounding exhaust system on it. Just a blast to drive. Look at that. Driving with no hands. Look down here on the dash. All the gauges are working. We got our 4-pack of gauges down here on the center console with that 4-speed shifter. I'll tell you what, this is one sweet convertible, guys. The sun was out, it went behind the darn clouds, but I tell you what, we're having a blast. This thing is getting a lot of attention. Everybody that sees it just loves it. The color is amazing on the car. It is really popping. And I tell you, the 4-speed's working good. We're gonna whip in this parking lot here and turn around. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this Dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. And if you need some help with financing, we got you covered on that end too. We got 2 bankers we work with on the financing. We can get this baby financed and get it parked in your driveway, ready for you to hit the strip. Get out there, get some ice cream, get out to the beach, whatever you want to do with your convertible. Now, we're open 6 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call Tom anytime. He's always answering his phone. Now, if he doesn't answer, leave him a message. He will call you back. Yeah, that man, I tell you, if he's awake, he answers his phone. Look at that. Just beautiful. Driving smooth as can be. Great sounding exhaust. Just an awesome ride here, guys. Now we're gonna do something now that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this dude up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro convertible investment. Now here's our shop right here. We've got about 240 cars in stock and we're always bringing in something new. So check us out. We're gonna get it up in the air for you now. All right, we're underneath this 68 Camaro now, and man, is she pretty under here. You can see it's got a stainless tank in it. It's got the stock style exhaust. Drop downs look good. It looks like this exhaust is tucked up in there just like it was in the factory. All the bushings are new. Now, in our general inspection, we've noticed that one of these great big old nuts here on this U-bolt is missing. Now we got one on order, and rest assured that baby will be on there when we park this Dream in your drive. Now it's got a big old Moser cover on the 12-bolt rear end here. Now this cover is actually designed to put some extra pressure on the main caps there on the center section to give you a little bit more strength. There is a 373 gear in there, and it is a posi unit. You can see stainless brake lines here. Hotchkis has provided the shocks for it, or actually they're Bilstein shocks. I saw Hotchkis somewhere. They got their name all stamped on there. And what's really cool about this car is look at these floorboards. Look at the coating on there. Now it is a chassis black coating, but it is slick as can be. You can see Hotchkis made a great frame tie setup here. You see how they got it tucked up here and follows the contour of the floor real nice and neat. They did a beautiful job building this. And then we've got this extra brace for the convertible. They got their name carved in it right there. That's very cool. That was probably a laser cutter that put that in there. We do have the parking brake hooked up here. Of course, all brand new bolts. And look at the frame up here, man. This front frame, this very well may be brand spanking new because this is one of the best looking subframes I've ever seen on a Camaro. So more than likely, this is brand new. If it's not, it's just very, very well preserved. Steering setup here is all Hotchkis too. That center link looks like it's extra big there, that drag link. Idler arm looks new, Pitman arm looks new, gearbox looks new, disc brakes up here, the backing plates, everything looks new. We got Bilstein shocks up here. We got Hotchkis tubular lower control arms and upper control arms in there. We do have a high torque starter. We do have an M20 Muncie 4-speed transmission here. The core support looks good. The bushings look good here. All the nuts and the bolts are new. The spoiler's new. Of chrome on the front bumper new, even their license plate brackets new. And look at the paintwork, right even down on this front valance. Look at that reflection in there. That paintwork is beautiful on this car. Now let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got a great looking set of wheels and tires. We got two 15/70/15s on some BFGs. Wheel lip moldings look good. Marker lights look like they're brand new. Again, that rocker molding looks brand new. I always get underneath there and feel around on the back sides of the fenders. I tell you what, these are just as smooth on the back side as they are on the front side. That pinch weld looks good, and the bottom side of the rocker looks brand spanking new. And there's that Hotchkis that says sports suspension right there. And isn't that cool? I love that laser cut out there, man. That is sweet. You can see how they notched around all the body braces. And they got it up there nice and tight. Beautiful job, guys. Let's check the rear. All right, back here we got two 25/70/15s. Wheel lip moldings look good here too. And again, always check those wheel wells. And like I've always told you, be careful, them screws, them are sharp on the bottom side. You know how I know? I tore up more than one finger checking those wheel wells. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we do have a 327. It is not numbers matching. We do have the correct exhaust manifolds. You can see the correct hoses. There's that Hotchkis suspension up here. Look at those crossbars. You can see brand new shims in there, brand new top on the shock, brand new fuel line, brand new fuel pump. There is a 650 Holley 4-barrel sitting on top of that Edelbrock aluminum intake. It does look like a dual plane intake. I can see it says Performer there. The valve covers, they kind of look like Corvette valve covers. That's cool. It's got stock appearing distributor back there in the back. The firewall's nice and clean. The radiator's nice and clean. It's a cross-flow radiator. It looks like a brand new fan shroud here. The alternator looks like it's been rebuilt. We got SSBC master cylinder and power brake booster. You can see all the brake lines, the proportioning valve, everything is brand new on the brake system. We do have power steering. Heck, it's even got the squirter bottle in there. And look at the paintwork, even on the inner front fender there, and the cowl here where it comes down. All the wiring looks great. Bottom side of the hood's nicely coated. We do have the rubber seal here on the air cleaner. Everything looks great. Even a Delco battery in here, guys. I tell you, this is one amazing 1968 convertible Camaro. Probably one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Great job built on this car, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.